Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Lay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Ka kinhun menteri ke jilla hagani kasni baar kala menjuri ka Meghalaya Witness Protection Scheme arhajar arpsan. Nagabenta banyada ki sakhi hagani ke jilla. Menteri rangba haba pennai karai ka kinhun ki menteri hadin ka jingelang ulaong baya ki lai tili ki an thamai jong ka BNSS la pentri kam da ka Sorkar pedeng bat Sorkar jilla. Bat hagani ka an thamai ka don ka kendon banyada ya ki sakhi bat ha banthau ya ka rukom banyada ya ki sakhi. Da ka ba pensyong nongrem ya kata la menjur ya ki kendon na ka benta ka Meghalaya Witness Protection Scheme arhajar arpsan. Da gajing temu ban ai gajing ya da ka bedon kam ya kisaki haki mukot duma baper ula benram. CM ula ong bahaman lagi Kerdan District kandon ka committee ha ka ba on kli da way na ki Magister District bat kandon ki dekhot na ka bor senshar bat kandrai katkum ka Kerdan jong gijing berngem bat don kam ban ai ya ki jat jing ya da baper sya unong sakhi. Kabala bandong ha kadur jong ka jingbom penpau kerteng la ban ai ya kijing saki jong kini ya kijing kren jong ki barok ka wei ha ka kamera. Kumta ki don ki kendon baper halor ka jing yada baper bat labatai ya ka ha ki kendon henrei kumbang la ong ka jingmut bakong san kalong bakini ki kendon ki don ha ki an tembai bat manla ka jilla ka ha banwan ra ikini ki scheme baper ula benram.
Is the decision of the cabinet to approve the Meghalaya Witness Protection Scheme 2025. Basically, it's not really a scheme as such, but that's how the nomenclature goes. And this basically, as you're aware, that the new laws, that the three new laws of BNS, BNSS, and BSA have been implemented by the center and the state governments. And in this new laws, there is a provision for protection of witnesses. And a complete mechanism has been included in this entire process and the laws to protect, and a system to be created to protect witnesses. And based on that, we have approved this the rules for the Meghalaya Witness Protection Scheme 2025, and there are many details, of course, for it. I will not be able to go into all the details, but just to give you a basic idea that it is in every district level there will be a committee which will be headed by one of the district magistrates. There will be members from the administration in it, and they will decide on the basis of the level of threat and the need to give different kind of protections to the witness. Protections could be in the form of security, in terms of even anonymity, in terms of being able to give their witness or their entire statement on camera, and so on and so forth. So different provisions are there on the different protections, and it's been defined in the rules. But as I said, the basic idea being that these provisions are there in the new laws, and every state has to come out with these different schemes. And today the cabinet has approved the Meghalaya Witness Protection Scheme 2025 with the objective of giving necessary protection to witnesses in different cases. The last decision that was made by the cabinet today, again a very simple decision, was basically the amendment of the Meghalaya Housing, Engineering and Technical Service Rules 2017 of the principal rules for the housing department. Again, this is a very simple decision, as there was some additional posts that were created by the housing department for the overall execution of different works and responsibilities. Those different categories had to be included in the service rule, and so the service rule was amended to include those new categories of employees and staff that were introduced by the Housing Department, and that was the amendment that was made in the rules. So there's not a major change, and of course all these have been vetted by Law Department and Personnel Department and Finance Department. So these were the 6 decisions that we had today in the Cabinet. So I'm open to any questions if you wish to ask.